CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play with Circle Internet Group. It's a bullish market with a 1.3% correction, and ultimately speaking, man, like, I just absolutely love it, you know, because I've gotten approximately 2 wins over 3 trades. So here's the first win that I got. Even though we have a very limited amount of data or candles, we're still freaking are printing. You can see this is 11 days ago. Then I got this one, which was made like 4 days ago. And then the current one is here, in which the only thing that was going to make me buy is a second break, because I already got the first. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I mean, obviously I'm not even trying to boast or like be arrogant here, but I have like 7 results popped out here in the analysis section in the Discord. So this has been followed very cleverly and very thoroughly. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Click the first link in the description to stay tuned for free.